The most dangerous thing you can do for your bank account is look like you have money. Because the moment people think you've made it, the pressure starts. The pressure to drive the right car, wear the right clothes, live in the right place, keep up the image. And that's where a lot of people lose. Not because they're lazy, not because they're unlucky, but because they start spending money to look successful before they actually become successful. That's loud wealth. And loud wealth is one of the most expensive traps in modern life. It's the luxury car with a monthly payment, the designer watch bought on credit, the expensive apartment that stretches your budget, the social media lifestyle that looks impressive from the outside but feels stressful behind closed doors. And the strange part is, most people never question it, because everyone else seems to be doing the same thing. But here's what most people never realize. Real wealth is usually quiet. It doesn't need applause. It doesn't need attention. And it definitely doesn't need strangers to be impressed. Because the goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to be free. Free from debt. Free from financial stress. Free to make choices without worrying about every paycheck. That's the stealth wealth mindset. And it starts when you stop trying to prove something to people who aren't paying your bills. Think about two people who both earn $100,000 a year. The first person gets a raise and immediately upgrades everything. A better car, a bigger apartment, more expensive vacations, a lifestyle that tells the world, I'm successful. The second person quietly invests the difference. No big announcement, no dramatic lifestyle upgrade, no need to impress anyone. 10 years later, something interesting happens. The first person still looks rich. The second person actually is rich. That's the difference most people miss. Wealth isn't built by what people see. It's built by what they don't see. The investments, the patience, the restraint, the decisions nobody applauds. And there's a psychological reason this is so difficult. Humans naturally want approval. We want people to notice us. We want status. We want validation. But status is expensive. Sometimes very expensive. The more you chase external validation, the more money gets pulled into things that don't actually improve your future. But when you stop performing for other people, something powerful happens. Your money starts staying with you. And when money stays with you long enough, it starts working for you. That's the real power of compounding. Not just in investments, but in behavior. Because compounding begins long before the stock market. It begins with restraint. It begins with not upgrading your life every time your income goes up. It begins with asking one simple question before every purchase. Am I buying this because I need it? Or because I want to be seen with it? That single question can save you thousands of dollars and years of regret. Because loud wealth is about attention. Silent wealth is about options. One buys status, the other buys freedom. And freedom ages much better than status ever will. The funny thing is, the people with the most real money often don't feel the need to prove it. They don't need the biggest flex. They don't need everyone to know what they own. They care more about what they keep than what they show. That's the shift. If you want to build real wealth, stop asking, how can I look successful? Start asking, how can I become harder to break? Because stealth wealth isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. It's choosing peace over performance, freedom over approval, long-term security over short-term attention. So, take a look at your own spending. How much of it is building freedom and how much of it is buying approval? Because the people who look rich today aren't always the people who stay rich tomorrow. And sometimes the wealthiest person in the room is the one nobody notices. If this made you think differently, subscribe for more insights on the psychology of money, financial freedom, and building lasting wealth.